Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm making a calendar easel card. Let's get started. I stamped the image from In the Country on shimmery white cardstock in black memento ink and die cut it with a stitched rectangle. I used an acrylic black as the palette for watercoloring. I started with Pool Party for the sky. For each change of color, I added a drop of water to the ink on the block. I tested the strength of the color on a piece of scrap shimmery white cardstock. And I blotted the tip of my water painter on a piece of paper towel. To clean the water painter between colors, I squeezed the water painter and wiped the brush on the paper towel until it ran clear. For the fence, I used an almost dry brush to get an extra dark coat of soft suede. For the base of the easel, I scored a 4 1/4 by 11 inch piece of evening evergreen at 4 1/4, 8 1/2, 9 1/2, and 10 1/2 inches. I added a 4-inch square piece of delicate desert pattern paper to the second section as shown, and a strip of tear and tape to the bottom tab and folded on the score lines. Then I removed the tear and tape and folded the remaining section to seal the bottom. I matted the printed calendar on another piece of evening evergreen before adhering it to the bottom center of the easel. I gently curled the watercolor image the opposite direction to help it lie flat on the mat. I applied tear and tape towards the bottom of the mat and used my grid paper to make sure the finished piece was under 5 1/2 inches tall before I pressed to adhere the image to the top of the easel. You can find written instructions with measurements over on my blog at... Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.